Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sign up on Temu. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. If guys you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Temu videos where you can see how you can do this. Now the next thing is to of course go and log into a profile. If you don't have a profile guys, you can always go and register on Temu for free, which we will of course be showing you now. So basically here is the application firstly, where guys we have the home screen and everything aware about the home screen. So the categories, the search bar for women, men, home, sports and all of those things. We have categories where you can go through all of those categories. We have the home, kitchen, men, clothing, everything is here in one place. We have you, where you can see everything about you. So your messages, your orders, your reviews, coupons, credit balance, addresses, customer service settings and everything. And at the end, we have the cart, where you can go and of course see what you have in your cart. But now guys, let's see how you can sign up. Well, the thing that you need to do is click on the sign in/register button. Now you have to go and click on how you want to go and create your account. For me, I'm going to go and type my email. So I'm going to go and do it through email, which is like this. Then you need to go and type a password that you would like to use. And then type register. When you do that, guys, as you can see, we have created our account and we are here. As you can see, this is my account. It is created, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.